बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, आज यह टॉपिक यह टाइडल एनर्जी। टाइडल एनर्जी क्या गई? टाइडल एनर्जी गई युस समंदर आसान यम अथ मज टाइड्स वथान यम पावरफुल आसान और अमन मज एनर्जी आसान युस अमो टाइडो पे एनर्जी हासिल करान अथ वनान टाइडल एनर्जी। Tidal power, also called tidal energy, is a form of hydropower which at converts the energy of tides into the useful form of power, mainly in electricity. Tides are the waves caused due to gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. Tides are the waves caused due to gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. Ocean tides are the periodic rise and fall of ocean water level occurs twice in each lunar day. During one lunar day, the ocean water level rises twice and falls twice. Time interval between a consecutive low tide and high tide is 6.2 hours. Tidal range is the difference between the consecutive high tide and low tide. During high tide, the water flow into the dam, and during low tide, water flow out, which result in moving the turbine. Although not yet widely used, tidal power has potential for future electricity generation. Tides are more predictable than wind energy and solar power. Tides, I already told you, are the periodic rise and fall of the sea surface occurring once or twice a day, driven by the gravitational attraction of the sun and the moon and by the earth's rotation. The tidal electricity generation works as the tides comes in and again when it goes out. The turbine is driven by the power of the sea in both directions. Types of tides, already I told you, high tide and low tide. Main parts of tidal power plant. A tidal, a tidal power plant consists of three main parts. The first being the barrage itself, holding the water back during high tide. The second part is the sluice gate that let water through the third part. The third part consists turbine and generator, resulting in electricity generation. Tidal barrage. A tidal barrage is a dam like structure used to capture the energy from masses of water moving in and out of a bay or river due to tidal forces. Tidal barrage. A tidal barrage is a dam like structure used to capture the energy from masses of water moving in and out of a bay or river due to tidal forces. Sluice gate. The sluice gates are left open during high tide and closed during low tide to create a water level differential, creating a potential difference that powers the turbine when the water is released. Tidal stream generator. Tidal stream generators are very similar to wind turbines except they are below the water surface instead of above or on land. The turbine and generator converts the movement of water coming from change in tide, the kinetic energy, into electricity. Water is 830 times denser than air and therefore can generate electricity at lower speed than wind turbines. Single basin scheme. This scheme has one barrage and one water storage basin, one-way system. The incoming tide is allowed to fill the basin through the sluiceways during the tide, and the impounded water is used to generate electricity by letting the water flow from basin to sea through the turbines during the single basin scheme is is intermittent generation power. Double basin scheme. In the double basin scheme, there are two basins on the landward side and the powerhouse located at the interconnecting waterway between the two basins. Advantages of tidal energy. It is inexhaustible source of energy. Tidal energy is environment friendly energy and does not produce greenhouse gases. As 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, there is scope to generate this energy on large scale. Efficiency of tidal power is far greater as compared to coal, solar, or wind energy. Its efficiency is around 80%. Tidal energy doesn't require any kind of fuel to run. The life of tidal energy power plant is very long. The large density of water, almost 100 times greater than in air, results in very large amount of energy to get out of the tidal currents even if the speed is low. Disadvantages of the tidal energy. Cost of construction of tidal power plant is cost of construction of tidal power plant is high. There are very few ideal locations for construction of plant and they too are localized to coastal regions only. Intensity of sea waves is unpredictable and there can be damage to power generation units. Influences aquatic life adversely and can disrupt migration of fish. The actual generation is for a short period of time. The tides only happen twice a day, so electricity can be produced only for that time. Usually, the places where tidal energy is produced are far away from the places where it is consumed. This transmission is expensive and difficult. Here are the major tidal plants of the world. Of the world. Among these, one lies in the Korea, which has 254 megawatt capacity. Second one is in the France with 240 megawatt capacity of electricity. Another one is in the Canada, is small as compared to the tidal power plant of South Korea and France, as the capacity of Canada tidal power plant is only 20 megawatt. Similarly, other power plants, tidal power plants are located in the China and Russia. Future: in a society with increasing energy needs, it is becoming more and more important to have alternative sources of power to keep up with the ever growing energy demand. The capacity of tidal energy exceeds that of coal and oil and is renewable. The Department of Energy has shown great interest in regards to tidal power as the perfect energy source for the future.